G'day guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now I had to re-upload this because the last one I had no copyright music, but I got copyrighted anyway. I'm making a chili chicken, and here's some ingredients here. I've got some sliced ginger and garlic, the good old longhorn peppers, chili. I got the spring onion, and the sauce there, it's not in the shop properly, but the sauce is made up of light soy sauce, Frank's hot chili sauce. I've got some sesame oil in there, I've got some garlic. Let's get to the frying. Now I'm going to put about a tablespoon of son of extra virgin olive oil. That goes in. Now I'm going to throw in my my ginger, the whites of the spring onion. I always use them to fry them off a little bit. And I'll throw in the sliced garlic there, as you can see. Now I'm going to saute these for about a minute or so. You don't want to burn the garlic, obviously. Now there's the longhorn chilies there. Absolutely, if you can get them, they're great. They're not very hot. I'm just going to pause it here. Now this is the chicken that I made. It's made with light soy sauce, 2 to 3 tablespoons of corn flour, some garlic, a bit of Frank's hot sauce. Mix it all up and then deep fry it, and then you just add it to the rest of the ingredients. Let's get on to the next step. Now I'm going to put the chicken in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm going to saute these for a couple of minutes. The chicken's 3/4 cooked. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the sauce that I made up, which you can see there. The good old Frank's hot sauce, I tell you what. It's absolutely out of this world. Now I've got some basmati rice there. Put the chili chicken there. Just take a look at that. Anyway guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later.